Best affordable for carpet cleaners 2026. Dealing with dirty carpets is a massive headache, especially when professional cleanings cost a fortune. I wanted to find the best affordable for carpet cleaners, so I bought and tested the top 5 budget models on the market. I've done all the messy work, so you don't waste your money.
Product number 1. Bissell Little Green 1400B. When I first lifted it out of the box, I noticed how surprisingly lightweight and compact it is. The thick handle feels great in the hand, making it incredibly easy to carry from the house out to my car. During my testing, I spilled some dark soda on a tan rug. The spray trigger gave me perfect control over the solution, and the suction power immediately pulled the dirty liquid right out of the fibers. You actually see the dirty water filling the clear tank, which is super satisfying. It does have smaller water tanks, so I had to stop and refill it once while doing a whole couch, but the stain removal is incredible. If you have pets or kids and just need quick spot treatments, this is absolutely the one to grab. Now moving from wet spots to picking up dry daily messes, look at this lightweight vacuum. Product number 2. Bissell Featherweight Stick Vacuum 2033M. Grabbing this stick vacuum honestly feels like holding a broom. The plastic build is basic, but that keeps it feather light, which I loved when I was carrying it up and down my stairs. I used it to quickly clear off the surface crumbs and dog hair on my low pile area rug before doing a deeper wash. It picked up dry debris surprisingly well for such a small motor. My favorite part was popping off the main floor nozzle to turn it into a hand vac. I used the crevice tool to easily reach between my couch cushions. The power cord is definitely on the short side, so I had to switch outlets a few times in larger rooms. If you live in a smaller apartment and need something cheap and easy for hard floors or thin carpets, grab this. For much thicker rugs though, we need a machine with power. Product number 3, Eureka PowerSpeed Upright. When I gripped the handle of this upright, it instantly felt sturdy and robust. It has a slightly bulkier plastic frame, but it glides across the floor without feeling like a heavy workout. During my testing, I pushed it over a really thick bedroom carpet that looked clean. The brush roll dug so deep that it pulled up an embarrassing amount of hidden dust and lint my older vac missed entirely. I love the extra large dust cup because I managed to clean 3 whole rooms without stopping to empty it. It does run a bit loud, and it definitely takes up a fair amount of space in the closet. If your home has wall-to-wall thick carpets and you want strong, deep cleaning suction on a budget, this is the one. After prepping those floors with a good dry vacuum, you might want an upright meant for actual deep wet floor washing. Product number 4. Bissell Turbo Clean Pet 3948. Lifting this upright carpet washer really shocked me because it weighs far less than those clunky rental machines. The slim profile meant my arm never got tired while pushing it back and forth. I tested it on a highly trafficked hallway runner that had completely flattened out. The rotating brush roll went to work, lifting out embedded dirt while actually fluffing the carpet fibers back to life. I noticed the dual tank system perfectly separated the clean water from the murky, disgusting water I was pulling up. The tanks are relatively small, so expect frequent trips to the sink to dump them out. Also, the carpet stayed damp for a few hours. If you want to wash entire rooms on a budget without dragging around a massive unit, you should get this. For smaller messes though, a handheld unit built specifically to destroy terrible odors might be a smarter buy. Product number 5. Shark Stain Striker PX202BRN. When I unboxed this portable cleaner, the build quality immediately felt premium. The flexible hose has a nice weight to it, and the blue color looks super modern. I took this straight out to my car to tackle an old mystery stain on the passenger seat. The high-pressure spray shot the cleaning solution deep into the fabric, and the suction was so intense that it barely left the seat damp. I didn't have to wait days for my car to dry. It uses a dual formula system that actually knocked out both the stain and the lingering weird smell. Buying replacement formula can get a little pricey, but the cleaning speed makes it totally worth it. If you need to quickly erase stubborn spots and nasty odors from your car interiors or living room couches, this is absolutely the one machine you should buy for your house right this very second. That wraps up my testing of these budget options. You don't have to spend a fortune to keep your house spotless.
Be sure to check the links in the description below to find the current prices and grab the one that fits your needs perfectly.